Welcome to a new week in Read 180. And as we start off this new week, we will also be starting a new unit. So we're just going to go through it with you a little bit and give you an overview of what to expect from our new unit and to discuss the homework that you will have for this week. So, the new unit is called Alien Invaders. And as I just said, we're going to take a quick look at what this unit will entail and talk specifically about the homework that you'll be doing for today and a little bit of a preview for the rest of the week. So, when you think of this word alien and alien invaders, what do you think of? I know I think of, some of those creepy, outer space characters that you might see in movies or in cartoons. But those aren't the type of alien invaders that we're talking about in this unit. So join me for a moment as we take a preview to the unit called Alien Invaders. So let's start with the title page. So I know that you can't see the whole page at once, and let me just kind of move it so you can see it a little bit better. So Alien Invaders, if we kind of scroll down the screen, you see this unusual looking fish. Scroll a little farther and you see a snake. And then at the very bottom of the page, you can see some ants, although I can't get it that far down. So, this front page says, "Help! The aliens have invaded." But these aliens don't come from outer space. They're plants and animals from other countries. When they land in the U.S., alien invaders cause huge problems. They destroy the environment, they kill native plants and animals, they even threaten people. Scientists know these invaders must be stopped. The question is, how? So, let's take a look at what the first article we'll be reading will be about. So, the first article that you will be reading later this week is called Freaky Fish Invasion. And you can see, wow, that is indeed a freaky fish. The next one you will be reading, article number 2, is called The Island of Snakes. Ooh, that just creeps me out. I have a real issue with snakes, so ew. And then the final article for this unit will be America's Least Wanted. And if you scroll below, you've got red fire ants, you've got kudzu, you've got zebra mussels, and the northern snakehead. So let's go back to our screen, or our slideshow rather. So let's talk about today's homework. So the first part of today's homework you are already doing. So you have to watch this video and then there will be a question that will require you to give us the mystery word that I will share with you in a moment from this video. So that will be the first assignment. Watch the video and then answer the Google Classroom question that includes the mystery word. And then finally, you will complete the academic vocabulary assignment. So these are the initial target words that we'll be working with for this unit. So let me just switch my slide again, and I know it's not always perfect here. Okay, so the academic vocabulary page, this is what it normally looks like in our book, and we'll post this to our classroom too so you can have access to it. So this week our target words are invade, environment, threaten, alter, and method. And as always, you're going to rate these words on a scale of 1 to 4. 1 meaning you don't know this word. 2, you've seen it or heard it. 3, you think you know this word, but you're not 100% positive. And 4, you totally know this word and could use it in everyday conversation. So even though your vocabulary assignment won't look exactly like this, it will have the same information, and you can refer to this page in your classroom assignments if it'll help you to see the original page. Okay, so with that being said, you need to know today's mystery word. Today's mystery word is invasive species. Invasive species. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video a moment and write this down because you will need to include it in today's homework. So one more time, invasive species. Okay, so Wednesday's class, what can you expect? So you know what to expect for today. For Wednesday, you will start with the first article, which will be about that freaky fish that we saw a moment ago. There will not be a meeting on Wednesday, so you don't need to worry about making our call. But just know that we're accessible to you if you have any questions or problems with any of the assignments this week. So, with all that being said, I think there's only one last thing to do. Wish you a really great week. So, we will see you in today's call at 9:30, and then we will be in touch soon. Have a super great week. Bye.